Hi there. In this video we will be adding this easy fuel funnel for the Ford C-Max from 2011. Yes, I bought the car with this missing, and if I would need to refuel the car in the middle of a field from a canister, it would be impossible without this, because it has the easy fuel system that only unlocks when it senses exactly the proper diameter. So that's fine. This is the code, and now let's rip this out of the bag. Be back in a second. The funnel itself. Great. Some instructions on it. Yeah, put the funnel in the car and pour diesel or petrol. This one is for diesel, so keep that in mind. This is a diesel engine. So let's test that it works, hopefully. Just realized that I have some water in here, so I think that's clogged. I need to put a deep wire, a long wire in there to unclog it. Anyway, don't care about that at the moment. We are trying to do something else. Hopefully you can see something in there. Let me turn on the light on the phone. That's the best that I can do, and squeeze it in there, and it should unlock any day now. Okay, and it did unlock. So hopefully you can see that deep in there that is unlocked now, and the funnel is all the way in. Not a big funnel, so it will be fun to pour something on it, but hey, it's better than being stranded who knows where. And yeah, it's out. So there's that. It needs this to properly work, but it's kind of fiddly. And it worked again, and you can see a flap that's opening, and now you can put diesel in there and throw it in the storage compartment for safekeeping, and that should be it. So yeah, and damn sun grains are getting everywhere. I hate having a little bit of sand in the yard until the house is finished, but yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, so hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.